If you want to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows, you're in the right place. In this quick but complete tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find the official app in the Microsoft Store, download it safely, install it on your Windows PC, and sign in so you can start editing right away. I'll also point out the difference between the free features and the optional premium tools so you know what to expect before you start. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, go to the Microsoft Store. The easiest way to do that is to click the Start menu icon on your taskbar, then type Microsoft Store into the search bar. Once you see it in the results, press Enter or click the app to open it. This is the safest place to install Adobe Photoshop Express because it helps you avoid fake download sites and unofficial installers. Once the Microsoft Store opens, look at the search bar at the top of the window. Type Adobe Express Photos or Photoshop Express. Then press Enter to search. Depending on how the app is listed in your region, you may see Adobe Express Photos or Photoshop Express as the name. What matters most is that the publisher is Adobe Inc. Always double check that before installing because that confirms you're getting the official version. Now click on the correct app listing to open the app page. Here, you'll see the app details, screenshots, and the install button. If everything looks right, click the blue Get or Install button. Windows will begin downloading the app automatically. The time this takes depends on your internet speed, but in most cases it only takes a couple of minutes. While it's downloading, you don't need to do anything else. Windows will handle the setup process for you in the background. Once the download is complete, the Microsoft Store will automatically install Adobe Photoshop Express onto your system. After that, the button may change to Open, which means the app is ready to use. When installation finishes, click Open right from the Microsoft Store or go to your Start menu and search for the app there. Launch it and you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use an existing Adobe ID if you already have one, or you can sign in quickly using a Google, Apple, or Facebook account. This makes it easy to get started even if you don't already have an Adobe login. After you sign in, the app will open and you can begin exploring the editing tools. Adobe Photoshop Express includes useful free features like basic photo editing, borders, and common adjustments. That means you can do a lot without paying anything. However, you may also notice premium tools and generative AI features powered by Adobe Firefly inside the app. Those are optional and may require an Adobe Express subscription, so if your goal is simple photo editing on Windows, the free version is already a great place to start. You can install the app, test the basic tools, and see whether it fits your workflow before you ever consider upgrading. That's one of the reasons this app is so useful for beginners and casual creators. And that's it. Adobe Photoshop Express is now installed on your Windows PC and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.